Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power cycle the Xbox and controller, then test the mic. Unplug the headset, look for bent pins, frayed wires, or debris in the jack. Physical faults cause most static. Once you verify the mic on another device, you know if the headset or the Xbox is at fault. If the mic is clean and works elsewhere, make sure to note which controller and USB ports you tested, because that narrows the next steps quickly. You now address software and interference. Update controller and console firmware using the Accessories app. Outdated firmware can introduce noise. Then open audio settings, lower mic monitoring, set mic sensitivity, and adjust chat/game balance to isolate static sources. Once done, move potential interference, phones, routers, USB hubs, away from the headset and controller. If you use a USB adapter, you finish by isolating and replacing failing parts. Swap headsets, try another controller, and use a different USB/3.5mm adapter to pinpoint hardware failure. If static persists, add a ferrite bead or plug into a grounded outlet to reduce electrical noise and ground loops. Once you replace suspect components, record a 30-second clip in party chat or game DVR and listen back. Troubleshooting tip. If static remains after all swaps and updates, the controller's headset jack or the console audio board may need professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.